Hey Bro Science Steve, I've been hearing about this 1200 calorie diet. Is it too low?
Huh? Oh, Mikey, my man, let me tell you, 1200 calories is like a breeze for your body. You can eat all the pizza you want and still shred those pounds.
Really? That sounds too good to be true. Whoa, hold it right there, fellas. Bro Science Steve, you got it all wrong.
Huh? What did I say?
Well, Mikey, the truth is whether 1200 calories is too low depends on various factors. It's not a one-size-fits-all answer, but don't worry guys, stick around to find out more. Alright Louis, you got my attention. I need to know more.
Yeah, I guess I need to learn a thing or two as well.
What's going on? It's your boy, Louis Ha Fa Sho. You know how we do. Today we're going to talk about the 1200 calorie diet. So buckle up because we're going to uncover the truth about this popular diet plan. Alright, let's get down to business. The 1200 calorie diet plan has been making waves lately, and I received a bunch of questions about it. So let's address the positives and negatives, and of course, share some examples to give you a clear picture. So this viewer who weighs around 115 pounds has been maintaining their weight at 1700 calories for around 5 to 6 months. Now they're gradually reducing their intake to around 13 to 1400 calories. They've heard that going below 1200 calories might not be recommended considering their body weight. They're aiming to lose the last 2 inches of fat. On top of that, they consume 100 grams of protein and hit the gym 3 to 4 times a week. Ooh, that's a lot of information. Wow, that's more math than my brain can handle. Pass me the calculator and a slice of pizza, please. Now, let's dive into the magic world of the 1200 calorie diet. Is it too low? Well, according to Medical Society, a very low-calorie diet is defined as 800 calories. But hold your horses, because that's only used under medical supervision for people who are extremely obese. So for most individuals, going below 1200 calories isn't necessarily a bad thing. Now, here's an important tip for you. As a general rule, if your calories drop below 10 times your body weight in pounds, it's time to pay closer attention to your food choices. In my case, I'm around 150 pounds. That would be 1500 calories per day. We Americans in our pounds, am I right? But hey, it works. Now, let's talk about the real deal when it comes to weight loss. It's not just about the number of calories you consume, but also about the changes that happen in your body. You see, when you restrict calories for an extended period, your metabolic rate adapts. Metabolic rate is simply the rate at which your body burns calories. When you eat a lot, your body burns through those calories faster. But when you cut back, your metabolic rate slows down to help you survive.
So, you're telling me my body has a secret superpower called calorie conservation mode? That sounds epic!
That's a natural adaptation, but here's the catch. If you've been on a calorie-restricted diet for a long time, and then suddenly go back to your previous eating habits, you might gain weight faster than a lightning bolt. That's why it's important to be mindful of these adaptations and make sustainable changes in your lifestyle. Imagine going through cycles of fat loss, weight loss programs, and constantly fluctuating between high and low calorie diets. It can actually put you in a worse place than where you actually started. Believe me, there's loads of research to back this up. So, what's the secret to successful weight loss? It's all about finding a long-term approach that fits your individual needs. Now, from the question, I don't have a problem with you going below a 1200 calorie diet, given your weight is 115 pounds. But remember, it's crucial to prioritize your overall well-being. Focus on a well-balanced diet and ensure you're getting the right macronutrient ratios. You're already rocking it with 100 grams of protein, but for someone hitting the gym like you, a little more protein can do wonders for satiety and lean body mass. More protein? Does that mean I can have an extra scoop of ice cream on my protein Sunday diet? The key here is creating a caloric deficit. And guess what? You don't always have to lower your calorie intake. You can increase your calorie expenditure by engaging in activities that you love. It can be as simple as taking walks, doing cardio, joining a kickboxing class, or even dancing. Whatever floats your boat and burns those extra calories. Remember, the deficit is what drives the change.
Did somebody say dancing?
Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is the 1200 calorie diet magical? Nope. It's not about the magic number. Whether it's a 1600, 2000, or 2500 calorie diet, what matters most is your approach and dedication to changing your habits and lifestyle. By following a well-structured meal plan, you can eliminate the guesswork and focus on your goals. Plus, it's a great way to handle social pressures when everyone's devouring calorie-packed meals while you stick to your plan. Ah, the lunchtime struggle, right? We've all been there. But trust me, once you achieve your goals, Everyone will be looking up to you and your determination. You'll be the inspiration. So remember, it's not the magic of the 1200 calorie diet. It's the magic within you that transforms your lifestyle and helps you achieve your goal. If you're curious to find out your maintenance calories, go to bringtheshreds.com/tools and you'll find it in a jiffy. The magic is inside me? Does that mean I can turn into a calorie burning wizard? Abracadabra, pizza disappears. Online coaching will be available soon. I also have another channel if you're interested. We talk more about mindset, creating better habits, discipline, and achieving your goals outside of fitness. So if that sounds good to you, head on over to Louis Ha Fa Sho. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And oh yeah, don't forget to bring the shreds, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.